Every morning, people across the world roll over, wake up, and tap the email icon on their phone. However, what they end up doing is scrolling past hundreds of emails that they will never open. The sad part is no matter how good the content of these emails are on the inside, the emails will never be opened unless they use this secret. Hey everybody, welcome to Make Money Automated. Today, we're going to go over the key steps needed to make money online with email marketing. Make sure to watch until the end for a surprise. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe to get access to the newest content as it comes out. Plus, prioritize responses to your comments on this video. Let's get started right now. Number 1, choose an email service provider. The first thing you need to do is identify an ESP, which is also known as an email service provider. The hardest part with email marketing, especially for trying to promote an affiliate network like Clickbank, is there are so many different email service providers to pick from. In an ideal state, you want one that can handle a large amount of outgoing emails, offers key analytics to help give you data on how to improve, and most importantly, are DKIM and SPF certified to help get past the spam filters. When it comes to email marketing, Aweber is one of the longest standing and well-established companies out there for automating emails. Not only do they have the ability to automatically create amazing looking emails, landing pages, and push web notifications, but Aweber also comes with drag and drop email designers along with a free template library that will give you tons of pre-built templates that are designed to make your business look fantastic. However, regardless of the ESP you go with, it's most important to take your time to get comfortable with the interface and learn as much as you can from the free training that the email service provider offers. Number 2, create a landing page. Creating a landing page is the storefront of your email marketing campaigns. This is the first time your potential customers get a chance to see who you are based on your brand and what you have to offer on this page. This landing page will also be the place that you send all of your traffic to. You can share your links on social media, online forums, answer pages, or even offline with in-person contacts. Having a landing page enables you to be able to grow your email list much easier because you'll be able to promote opportunities for your own search engine optimization. Most importantly, the landing page will be your first opportunity to start defining your brand. The more consistent and trustworthy your brand is, the more sales you'll be able to make with email marketing when promoting products from Clickbank. Number 3 is automation. The most important reason to go with an email service provider is it allows you to do automation. This is where, when someone lands on your landing page and they decide to give you their contact information, such as their name and email, that once they click the submit button, they are put into an automated world that makes it seem like you are actively communicating with them, even though it's being done entirely with software. To make the most of your ESP, the first step, once they submit their information, is to create a welcome email. The welcome email should automatically be sent to all new subscribers on your email list, and most importantly, that welcome email needs to be sent immediately after the lead submits their information. The welcome email should provide a warm greeting, include all of your social media locations that they can connect and reach out to you with, and also set expectations with them by defining what they should expect from your upcoming emails. This includes the cadence or frequency of your email and what they should expect the content of those emails to be. Once they've received the welcome email and you know the cadence you're going to be sending the emails to them, you literally create a backlog from this point forward, providing them high-value content that they receive over and over. As you continue to provide them quality information, they'll begin to open up your emails more and more. This will lower the barriers of entry when it comes to them beginning to consider buying something from you. Number 4, grow your list. Now that you have your landing page and automation is set up, the next step for email marketing with Clickbank or any vendor network is to focus on growing your list. Here are 4 great ways to begin to drive that traffic to your landing page to increase your list size. The first one is search engine optimization, or also known as SEO. SEO grows your list with organic traffic, which can come from your website or any other web page online that is indexed by search engines. The second approach to consider is using social media. Start with using YouTube, Google, and Facebook ads. Ads allow you to supercharge your email list because you can start off with a low budget but drive high amounts of traffic to your website. However, if you do go the paid route, take your time on learning the ropes so you don't go too far into the negatives from spending money before you begin to figure it out. The third approach is to promote your content at every opportunity possible. Whether you're running ads or have somebody click a link before you send anybody to a Clickbank or product where you have a chance to earn a commission, there should always be something called a bridge page, which is where they would enter their name and email. A bridge page is a type of landing page. This means that every opportunity you get to have a customer, lead, viewer, or follower go somewhere based on a click of your link, that they have to have the opportunity to give you their information so you can follow up with them automatically with email marketing. The more you can get into the funnel, the more your automation can work for you. The fourth way is to focus on cross-promotion. For example, if you know somebody else in the same niche as you, reach out to them directly and ask if they're willing to promote you on their page. In return, offer them the ability for you to promote them from your page. This creates a win-win situation for both parties. But what happens if you don't know anybody? That's okay, and it shouldn't discourage you. This is your opportunity to begin focusing on practicing your networking skills. If you're on Instagram, send your competitors direct messages and see who's willing to respond and work with you. It's the same concept for Facebook. Send them messages or post in their groups that allow collaboration opportunities. If you want to use YouTube, go to their channels and look up their contact email to see if you can reach them there. If you really want to get creative with YouTube, you can create a video asking somebody to be cross-promoted with you. Once that video is uploaded, you can go and put comments on that person's videos recommending they watch yours. You'll be shocked at how impressed others will react to creating a video solely for them. If you found this video helpful so far, make sure to click the like button and subscribe for more great training and prioritized responses on your comments on these videos. Number 5, learn from your audience. As your subscribers continue to grow, it's important that you take the time to learn from your audience. As an example, when you create your automation from your email service provider, an amazing email marketing tactic is to send them an email with a question where they're not clicking on a link, but instead responding directly to you. For example, if you're in the weight loss niche, ask your email subscribers where they're struggling the most. If they respond, make sure to respond back to them, even if it's something as simple as, "I totally understand. Make sure to open up my next emails because I'm going to have some information that will help you reach your goals." That simple reach out will not only build trust between you and your new lead, but you're also learning about your audience because they are literally telling you exactly what they need from you. Once you know what your customer needs, then it's your opportunity to tie them to a relevant Clickbank or affiliate product that you can capitalize on. This approach creates a win-win situation for both of you. You get a customer and money, and they get a solution to their problem. This leads us into our next section of number 6, promotion. At this point, you should be feeling the momentum of your list growing and have an active lead base that responds and interacts with you. Now that you've built the trust with them, it's time to take advantage of your email marketing by creating automation specific to products that you can make commissions on. There are tons of great products on the affiliate marketplace within Clickbank and other vendor networks. However, it's most important you don't just send them emails telling them to buy a product. You spent all this time building your trust with them. Don't destroy it by rushing a deal. Now it's time to help them get from where they are to where they need to be by creating an email series. This email series will help guide them from the process of beginning to get introduced to the product, to understanding how the product can help them, and then lead them to making it the clear decision that it's the right product for them. As an extra bonus, because you already have a relationship with them, you can offer freebies if they sign up for the product using your affiliate link. Number 7, socialize. As your welcome email mentioned, it's time to get social. With the integration of your social presence in the email marketing provider, You'll be able to create automated emails based on what you produce. For example, if you uploaded a brand new YouTube video, instead of relying on YouTube only to promote your video, you can also send an email to your list saying, "Hey, I created this great training video to help solve your specific problem, so click the link below in order to get instant access." The more on point and in sync your emails and social media content are, the faster you'll be able to build up strong rapport. Because those networks will cross-reference each other and create a snowball effect of increased subscribers and followers across all of your media. In turn, it will build your brand and trustworthiness online everywhere. Number 8, continuous improvement in delivery. At this stage, you send so many emails that it's time to scale and really dive deep in regards to how to streamline your business and content. Continuous automation and continuous delivery is a term used in the technology industry. The concept behind it is that your processes are so streamlined and everything is as automated as possible that you can release new content over and over and over multiple times a day. In order to do this successfully with email marketing, it's time to go back to the chemistry world. If you remember from chemistry class, they spoke about creating hypotheses. It follows the template: if this scenario occurs, then this is the result predicted. You get to use that same knowledge you learned then as part of your email content strategy because of all the experience you have gained by sending emails previously via your automation. Now it's time to compare the difference of your existing emails to ones where you changed a variable. With that variable change, you can then do A/B split testing where it compares the two emails against each other. The one with the better statistics, such as more opens because of the subject line or more link clicks within your email, it becomes your new primary email for that automation. But don't think you're done there. The goal here is to test over and over for continuous improvement. Once you've completed one series of tests and determine if the hypothesis of the change works, then you simply do it again with a different variable change to see how far you can push the quality of your content. If you're interested in discovering more about how to build a business to make money online in the most automated way possible, then be sure to check out the first link in the description to get instant access to key tips that'll help jumpstart your journey. Make sure to click on this next video to learn more great make money online tips, and I'll see you in the next video. As always, here's to your success.